going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefit Central. I'm Benjamin, and today Bitcoin and the S&P charts. But before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe, I'd greatly. Everybody, Bitcoin and the charts, we did, however, reject off of 22,500. We are headed lower towards our indicators around, I'd say, 20,500. If we can close and hold around this level, we could see another entry buying back into 21,143. However, if we fail to hold any of this, we will head lower. I don't believe 17,500 just yet. However, we do have a second low, a higher low, around 18,500. So we could see another dip back around these levels just to regain support. However, we did break below our 21,143 off of rejection off of 22,500. Honestly, we'd have to wait to see how the SPX would open this week to see which way momentum is really going. But speaking about the SPX, we'll go and take a look real quick at that. Jumping into the S&P 500 charts, we are going to most likely reject off of 39.47 unless we can get a new daily, which would start around 5 to 6 o'clock today, I believe, for the S&P 500, and we could actually see an open towards 39.4750 and most likely a rejection, as our blue indicator is there as well. So we could see there is a bit of resistance around this ceiling. However, if we could just form a bit of consolidation, maybe break bullish above that line, and then form a little bit of consolidation around 42.51, that could hike up Bitcoin to break through its 22,500 level as well. However, if we do get rejection, just like most of these cryptos are showing, because of the S&P 500 level, we could get a rejection around 39.4750 and see our levels around 37, I believe. 37, that was our last double bottom, around 37.40. However, us being in this descending channel, I did take it away just tweaking the charts a bit. I did take it away just a little bit just to see just to clear it up a bit to see exactly where we are in the markets, as a lot has been going on lately. But looking at the S&P 500, as you can tell from our all-time highs of 48.24, we fell now to 36.37, and our last double bottom was around 32.2410. So if we do end up breaking this bearish, we would see a drop to 32.24. However, I don't think that's likely right now. I do believe that we could see just a small return to 37.30, 60. And for Bitcoin, I believe we could see levels of 18,500. Unless we do find support around this, which it seems that we are as of right now. This is today's candle, and we just need today to close above the red indicator, and that would be bullish. That would show that we have signs of going further up, and that this was just a pullback to get more momentum to break through our 22,500. However, looking in on the weekly for Bitcoin, we were supposed to close above our last week's candle. However, I believe it's starting to form here. You just can't see it through all of the lines. But we were supposed to close above our last week's candle to form a bull 180. We did, however, wick above it, and we hit our 22,500, like we said in our previous video before it happened. However, closing below our 21,360 showed a bit more bearish momentum, so we are waiting fully to see on how this next candle closes. We could get a wick all the way back down to 17,500, and then we can see a completion of the bull 180, and it wouldn't be a 180, it'd now be a RBI, if so. But it would be bullish momentum headed towards, I would say, 23,000 at most. I believe that was our last wick that we were trying to get to. But looking further into our monthly could still form a GBI, so do be cautious about this, because if the next month does open and we stay this low, it could just be another GBI movement like we had here, where there's a pivot and we just drop. On the daily for Bitcoin, I did buy this anticipating that we were going to RBI through 22,500. However, we didn't, and that's totally okay. I'm still going to keep my long in on the position just to see where this fills out. We are in some interesting times in the markets right now, so I would like to keep certain positions unless I'm convinced otherwise that we need to get out of it. I could close it, however, on the 21,143 because we broke out of it. However, I do see that we have a red indicator that could act as some support and reversal back into the range of 21,143 and 22,500. However, if we do break and close below that, I will be getting out of my long. If I decide to stay in, I'll decide to take losses around 17,500 if we break and close below that. If I don't take my trade out around the red indicator level. Jumping back into the S&P charts just real quick, I wanted to show you guys the weekly for this. We do have a possible RBI that is forming around our double bottom that we said in our previous video. However, if we do not get a close like we did with Bitcoin for our weekly, like we did on our daily, if we don't get a weekly close above our RBI, the red bar ignored, we will have more bearish momentum towards 36, 37. However, if we do close above, do expect us to break bullish above 39.4750 and seeing levels highest at right now around 41.6440, just until we hit our indicator again. However, that was just another quick market update video for you guys. If you guys could leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.